of you guys may have seen that I just recently uploaded a video about removing hair with toothpaste, and it became evident pretty quickly that some of you guys were just like not very happy. So I took the video down. I have been I just didn't know what to do. I didn't know if I should just keep it or should I take it down? But I thought, why not meet it in the middle and let's just have a conversation about this. And I'm gonna start this conversation by saying I'm sorry. So I'm very sorry. Sorry for being an idiot. Okay, so I don't know. I just found something that I thought would be fun to try. I do want to point out that there are a lot of videos and tutorials online about using toothpaste for different things, but pretty much none of them even mention fluoride at all. They don't talk about it. They don't touch on it. I mean, I kind of did. So yes, this channel is information and educational, and that's what I want it to be. And I also want it to be fun and whatever else it is. I wasn't making that video with the intention of people copying it. It wasn't a tutorial. It was just me trying something just to see if it worked. All I can think about with just leaving the video as it was just like little kids in the hospital with fluoride poisoning because they put toothpaste all over themselves because they watched my video. Somebody with brain damage because they watched my video and they tried it. And I'm just like terrified of hurting someone. I don't want to upset anyone. I don't want to hurt anyone. I don't want to pass along any misinformation. That is absolutely not what this is about. I want this to be true, real, honest information, but fun and lighthearted, you know, because why not? Because it can be. I don't know. I did not mean this video to be an educational thing, but I thought instead of making a separate apology video or making a separate video touching on this topic, I wanted to re-edit this video with this before the video because I want them together. I don't want the other video going out by itself without this before it. I'm not gonna touch on fluoride a ton right now because that's not what this video is about, and this is already getting too long. There's a lot of dangers associated with excess fluoride. It says on the tube, you know, don't overconsume it. What I was doing was safe for me. I have not had any effects. I am fine. I do not recommend anyone else do this purely because you don't know, and exposing yourself to something it was stupid. It was stupid, and I'm sorry. I still had fun making the video, and so I still want to post the video, and I hope that you can watch it purely for entertainment purposes and not for demonstration purposes, not for something you should try. I guess I just wasn't really thinking about it. If you hate me, I'm sorry. I'm just putting toothpaste on my leg. I'm sorry. So that's it. So who's excited to watch the video now? Good intro. I don't want to pass along misinformation, like I said, and I don't want to be telling anyone to do something unsafe or harmful or anything negative. So here is the video. Do I have something for you today? Oh yes, we have another beauty video. Now this one had me a little confused for a minute. I'm actually kind of still confused about it, to be honest with you, because, well, first of all, I have seen quite a few recommendations to use toothpaste for hair removal. So that's what I'm gonna be trying today. Now, one of the reasons this is confusing is because I've also seen a lot of recommendations to use toothpaste for healthier hair, so I'm not really sure. You just can't trust everything you read, I guess. Anyway, I was a little confused and like a little kind of sketched out on why toothpaste makes your hair come out or fall out or not grow back or whatever it is it's going to do. So I dug and dug and dug and took a minute to figure it out. It looks to be it is the fluoride in the toothpaste that does some damage to the hair follicles. So I don't know how that makes you feel about fluoride, but maybe don't put toothpaste in your hair. But that is important to know because this won't work with a natural toothpaste that does not have fluoride. So kind of why I wanted to figure that out, because I wanted to make sure that this is actually going to work. So, you know, I guess this is a natural way to remove hair. Anyway, I've seen a few different recipes and methods for this. The easiest one looks to be toothpaste, baking soda, and then I've seen it mixed with a few different things, cucumber juice, which I'm just not going to waste my time on that. I know it has a lot of benefits, but that's not what I'm after with this process. I can take care of that later. I just want to see if this works. So I'm just gonna use water, but I've also seen like toothpaste, lemon juice, and salt, which seems a little bit more aggressive, but yeah. So we're gonna try to remove hair with toothpaste. This is very intriguing to me. Summer is coming up. I will be honest with you, I don't really give that much of a shit about removing the hair on my arm. So we're going to be doing this with my leg. My leg. Dude, if this works, I am never shaving. I have pretty coarse leg hair, so this will be a good test on like how strong this actually is. I think the recipe or the method where you're using toothpaste with lemon juice and salt, I don't think that you wait for that to dry. I think you just kind of like rub the hair off. But I'm a little bit more interested in doing the method where you leave it on a little bit to dry, because I just feel like if I'm gonna damage the hair follicle, which is apparently what this is doing, then I might as well just kill it. Going to start with my toothpaste. I copied the same thing that everyone else did and bought Colgate. I feel like maybe Colgate started this whole thing. This is like some kind of a marketing thing because every single tutorial uses Colgate. I'm putting a generous amount because I'm going to be doing my leg. I should also point out that if you have sensitive skin or if you're at all concerned about any kind of irritation, please do a very small patch test. I don't know if I should try my whole leg. Why would I only do half of my leg? Of course I'm gonna do my whole leg. I'm frosting a cake. What do you do on a Sunday? This is what I do on my Sunday. I really hope that I do not have some kind of negative reaction to this. So now I'm gonna wait for about 20 minutes. Oh. Oh, I just got it all over a blanket. Oh. Holy crap, this has taken a lot more than 20 minutes. Pretty sure that I have left this on too long at this point, and I hope that I don't have fluoride poisoning. Are you serious right now? Nothing? Why? Dang it. Like literally, where are you? Look at me, look at me, look at me. There's literally the exact same amount of hair on my foot, leg, whatever this thing is. But then there was the exact same amount. Oh no, I take that back. Nope, I think that just hasn't grown in yet. Oh, did that? Maybe it did work a little bit. Nope, okay, well, so yeah, guess that is it. Please like this video if you liked it, and subscribe. All right, y'all have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys next time.